Hello guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about a very special day in most of our lives, and that day is getting a new puppy home. I will also be showing you guys the day I bought Vetri home, how I prepared for this day, what are the primary things that you will be needing, as well as a few tips on how to make life raising a puppy that's just arrived home easier for you as well as for your puppy. So we actually bought Vetri from a breeder a short distance from our house. And as soon as we got a message from the breeder that the dog was ready to be moved to its new place, we rushed immediately and picked him up. Okay, now there are a few things that you need to ask your breeder or the person you're adopting from before you bring a new puppy home. So the first thing you need to ask your breeder is the exact age of the puppy so that you know when exactly to take your puppy for its first vaccination, which is usually when they're about around 42 to 45 days old. Another very important thing you need to ask your breeder is what the puppy is being fed until today, as it is very important to continue with the same diet plan because puppies have a weak digestive system which is still developing and might find it difficult to digest if there's a sudden change in the quantity or the food that they're being fed. You might also want to ask about the puppy's certificate details if you've applied for them, or else I would highly recommend you guys to apply for their certificate. So while we were returning home, we stopped at a pet hospital in order to get our puppy checked once, as well as give him his deworming to kill any germs that were present, and also picked up his kibble that he was being fed until today. We also asked our vet about the nutritional requirements of our puppy as well as the supplements that we needed to give him to make sure he remains strong and healthy.
So vaccination will start at 42 days.
Okay.
Okay. Today we can deworm him.
Okay.
We'll deworm. If any worms are there, it will come
Yeah.
out.
Yeah. Sure.
So is it healthy? Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Don't
Thank
need to
you.
worry.
Yeah. The first thing you need to remember is that your puppy is just as nervous and excited as you are, and it is important to make sure that your puppy has a positive experience on his first day at home, as this is the place that he is going to be spending the rest of his life. You must keep your house as clean as possible before bringing your puppy home, as puppies like to explore at this age and might end up eating some foreign particle that's left on the floor. If such a situation occurs, then it might prove to be fatal for your puppy. Having some toys ready at home for your puppy to play with can make this day a lot more exciting for your puppy. So now it was finally time to bring Vetri home. Vetri did have quite a grand welcoming, as there were so many friends of his awaiting his arrival right in front of our house. Surprisingly, Vetri was completely thrilled to meet his new friends and neighbors. Some puppies do feel overwhelmed and intimidated if they are engulfed by so many people meeting them for the first time. His excitement just kept increasing as he ran into the house and started exploring the entire house. I could see the happiness on his face, which also meant that he actually loved our new home. So Vetri's favorite toy is a blue colored chew bone that makes a squeaky noise, which he absolutely loves and cherishes even till today. I also bought him a ball for him to play with and instantly realized that he had an intense chase drive for the ball, and I also use a ball whenever I need him to listen to me. After quite some time of running around and playing, it was finally time for Vetri's first meal at home. I gave him some kibble soaked in warm water. He immediately gobbled it up and went to bed, like all puppies should. At this time, I would also like to tell you guys that puppies spend most of their time sleeping, as this is the time that they are actually growing. coming to the end of the video, I would like to share some final few points that would make life during the first few months with your puppy easy and smooth. It is important for you to potty train your dog on the very first day. All you have to do is clean the place where your dog has done his business with some sheet, wash it and then leave it wherever you want him to do his business the next time. Dogs and puppies will sniff to this sheet every time they want to do their business, so they will be doing their business on the sheet the next time. You can also buy puppy pads which are used for the same purpose instead of sheets. These puppy pads are useful because they are easily washable and reusable as well. I will be leaving a link in the description for you guys to buy puppy pads. Another thing that you would want to do is lay out some ground rules as to what your dog is allowed and not allowed to do. Doing this would help your dog understand the rules of the house and it will in turn behave in a disciplined manner. You also want to get your puppies house trained, which means controlling their access to various rooms in your house. Technically, you want your puppies to be at a place where you can keep a close watch on them, as puppies like to explore with their nose and then their mouth, and this might lead your puppy to eating something that they technically shouldn't have. This might also prove to be fatal for them later on. A good way to control your puppy's access to various rooms can be having them on a leash that is attached to yourself. You can also hook your dog's leash onto your jeans so that you know where they always are. Okay guys, we have finally reached the end of today's video. If you guys found this video useful, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos.